Okay, round two. So I thought the potentiometer in the first round was affecting the speed, but it actually just still worked as an on and off switch because it was really about the voltage threshold to allow the voltage to flow from the transistor into this part of the circuit that controls the power flow to the motor. So now that's been resolved, and the potentiometer is now connected up to an analog input, which is then reading ranges between 0 and 1023. Although after some testing with this voltage divider put in place, it only goes from 520 roughly to 1023. But no matter, because fortunately within Arduino's coding system there's a fancy thing called map, and that lets you set the low and high range values and adjust them to fit within 0 and 255, which is the maximum pulse width modulation abilities within the function of analog write. So analog write then tells this digital output pin number 9 to give a different wave of pulses, frequency of pulses into this transistor, which then controls the speed of the motor. And to demonstrate, it is currently at its lowest level, which is off, and you'll start hearing kind of a whining sound as the pulses start coming into the motor, which is right there. Okay, here we go. So still kind of tricky to control, but this is one speed, which is a pretty tame pinwheel speed. Could go a little slower maybe. I could probably set a lower upper limit within the map equation or function, but it's kind of cool. Got a good little thing going on there, and as it goes faster, it starts going real crazy. It has a tendency to fall off, so I'm not going to go too fast. It's really fun to watch on the camera. And eventually it gets to a lowest